Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will discuss about elsewhere category journal and quick publication journal in the different fields like computer science, electrical electronic, material science, physics, molecular physics, chemistry, management and many more. So लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिए, मे बी पॉसिबल आप जिस जर्नल को सर्च आउट करने जा रहे हैं वो आपको यहाँ पर मिल जाए, सो आपकी मेहनत और आपका एफर्ट वेस्ट ना हो. सो यूटिलाइज दिस टाइम. लास्ट तक वीडियो देखते रहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. First category of the journal computational material science and the publisher name is Elsevier category. So this is very renowned and popular platform to publish your manuscript and articles. So you can see here site score of this journal 5.0 and impact factor 2.8 and first time decision within 2.4 weeks. So within 2 weeks you will get the notification about your research paper acceptance or rejection like this. And the most important thing of this journal, acceptance rate of this journal 24%. So the probability of your research paper publication or acceptance is very high. You will get the notification within 2 weeks and after that 3 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required in this journal 5 weeks. So really very quick publication journal. Most probably your research paper will get 4 weeks or about 1 month. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. Now let's move to journal description. So here you will get the aim and scope and journal description. So what types of the topics and titles and covered by this journal and published by this journal. So here you will get the information like that. आपको यहाँ सारे वो टॉपिक्स मिल जाएंगे जो आपको स्टिल आपके रिसर्च एरिया से मैच करेंगे. सो यू कैन सी हियर लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ द टॉपिक्स. ऑल द टॉपिक्स आर गिवन हियर लाइक existing inorganic materials such as metals, ceramics, composites, semiconductor, nanostructure, 2D materials, material and organics, polymers, liquid crystals and hybrid materials, like this type of the topic covered by this journal. So if your research area falls under this category, then you have to submit your research paper in this quick publication journal. Left hand side you can see here this is journal matrix. So about the journal impact factor, journal rank, all the things are given here. So now let's move to the part of the indexing. So this is very important thing to know whether the journal related to Scopus index journal, SCI category and many more. So just click on the abstract and indexing tab. So here it will be redirected to the indexing part. So you can see here this journal related to the Scopus category journal and also the SCI index category journal and many more indexing. So like this. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper. Now how we will publish and how we will submit our research paper. So before that you have to know about the guidelines. So guide for authors. So here you will get the authors guideline, means how we will prepare our research paper or manuscript. So just click on this tab. So you will get the all the guidelines to prepare your research paper. And this tab related to the submission your research paper or manuscript. So if you are new for this Elsevier platform, so you have to create your login ID and password. So just you have to fill your credential in this sign up form and after that you can easily submit your research paper for the publication. Now next category of the journal, Journal of Information Assurance and Security journal, Numenex JIAS and ISSN number is given here. So most important thing about this journal, so aim and scope. So what types of the topic and journal description you will get the here and the topics. So you can see, just scroll down. So you can see here topics of the interest include here but not the limited, like the authentication, data protection, computer forensic, data system integrity. So like this type of the topics covered by this journal. So if your research area and topics comes under this particular topics and title, then you can submit your research paper in this quick publication journal. And the guidelines for contributors, all the things are given here. So really very good journal. So explore this journal and here this section will related to the journal template. So explore this Microsoft Word template, latex style template. So it will be redirected to the journal template. So now most important thing about the journal, this journal related to the SCI index category journal. So this is very great news to publish your research paper and article with the SCI index journal. And now about this particular many more, so you can see here author guidelines, so it will be redirected to the journal authors guidelines. So all the things are given here, so read out it carefully, very carefully. And you can see here frequency of publication means the time of the frequency means in what time your research paper will get published. So you can see here the journal published 6 issues per year means your research paper will get published within 2 months. 2 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर एसए इंडेक्स कैटेगरी जर्नल में पब्लिश हो जाएगा. So this is a really very great opportunity to publish your research paper in this quality index research paper. So and each and every publication ethics and all the things are given here. So plagiarism categories and also given here what types of the percentage of acceptance or considerable part. So explore this section very carefully. Now how we will submit our research paper. So submission system, so left hand, this is submission system. So after preparing of your research paper and my article, you have to submit your research paper using this particular submission system. Now next category of the Elsevier category journal, International Journal of Management Education. So this journal comes under the category of the fast publication journal. So most important thing about this journal, acceptance rate of this journal 18%. So the chances of your manuscript acceptance is very high, and you will get the notification, first notification about the whether your research paper accepted or not within 4 weeks, and after that 2 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required in this journal 6 weeks, so near about 1.5 months. Most probably your research paper will get published within 45 days or like within 1.5 months. Impact factor 2.3, really very good, and side score 3.5. so this section will cover the journal description. So you can see here what types of the topics and titles covered by the journal. So this journal is especially related to the management student, management researcher, and educational and science category students, social science category. So explore this journal very carefully, all the things are given here. If your research area falls under this topics and title, then you can submit your research paper for this journal. Now focus on the abstract indexing, so whether the journal related to Scopus or SCI category journal, so just use this abstract and indexing tab. So you can see the journal related to the Scopus category and also SCI index journal category. Now next category of the journal Elsevier is the material letter. So this journal especially related to the material science students or mechanical engineering and also the physics category students. So if your research area comes under this topics and titles, then you can submit your research paper in this quickly publication journal. Most important thing about this journal is acceptance rate of this journal is 28%. So really very good acceptance rate. So the chances of your research paper acceptance in this journal is very high, and most probably your research paper will get published or accepted. And the acceptance rate, after that acceptance rate, first decision you will get within 4 weeks. So nearly about within 1 month you will get the notification about your research paper acceptance, and after that 2 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required in this journal 6 weeks. So most probably your research paper will get published within 45 days or 1.5 months. Now what types of the topics and title covered by the journal, you can see here material letters, interdisciplinary journal. So most of the researcher can submit your research paper in this particular journal. And what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal, so you can see explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the type of the topics like materials, application, materials, metals, alloy, amorphous, solid, ceramics, composites, characterization, noble material, processing, properties, synthesis, like these type of the topics covered by the journal. So if your research comes under this category, you can submit your research paper in this quality index journal and quickly publication journal. Now focus on the abstract indexing, just use abstract and indexing tab, so it will be redirected to the abstract and indexing part. Whether this journal actually related to the Scopus category journal and also SCI index category journal. So explore the journal very carefully and use this golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this quality index journal. Now move to the next category of journal, elsewhere, optics and laser technology. So this journal is also related to the electrical, electronics and molecular physics, optics and crystal growth and material science category researchers. So if your research area comes under this particular topic's title, then you can submit your research paper in this quickly publication journal. Now most important thing about this journal, 30% rate is the acceptance rate. So the chances and acceptance rate of this journal is very high. So you will get the notification within 7 weeks, and after that 2 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required for this journal is 9 weeks. So nearly your research paper will get published within 2 months. Most probably your research paper will get published within 2 months. So really very good opportunity to publish your research paper in this category: electrical, electronics, materials and crystal growth, physics, molecular physics, like this type of the topic covered by the journal. So in this section you will have all the types of the topics and title. So explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the topics and titles. So if your research area comes under this particular topics and title, then you can submit your research paper in this quickly publication journal. Now focus on the abstract and indexing part. So this section will redirected to the whether the journal related to the Scopus categories or SCI index category. So you can see here this journal related to the Scopus category journal, SCI index category journal and many more indexing. So friends, thank you for watching this video. सच में ये वीडियो कुछ सपोर्टिव लगा हो, वैल्यू एडिट की हो, देन हिट ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन, शो योर लव. सो आपके शो लव से मुझे बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है. सो शो योर लव, आई हिट ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन, आई आल्सो डू द लाइक दिस वीडियो and help your friends by sharing this video and this channel also. So friends, thank you for watching this video.